Hi 10th class students. In the last class we discussed the problem number 5 in exercise 1.5. Today we have to go through the exam problem number 6. If log x plus y by 3 equal to half of log x plus log y. Find the value of x by y plus y by x. How we have to solve this one time see here. Log x plus y by 3 equal to half of log x plus log y. Find the value of x by y plus y by x. So first of all, in the RHS we have to transpose log x plus y by 3 is equal half of log x plus log y. Already you know that formula, log x plus log y is equal to log xy. So that we have to write log xy. Already we discussed the formula, log x plus log y is log xy. Log x plus y by 3 equal to half of log xy. This is in the form m log x. M log x can be written as log x power m. That is log xy power 1 by 2. Since from the supporting formula m log x equal to log x power m. M log x can be written as log x power m. After that, take off logarithm on both sides. Take off logarithm on both sides. Then what will happen one time see here, you get x plus y by 3 equal to xy power 1 by 2. The root notation of xy power 1 by 2 is nothing but root xy. So that is x plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Transpose 3 to RHS, you get x plus y is equal to 3 root xy. Again, but we need to find the value of x by y plus y by x, so that there is no root in the solution part, so that you have to expand this one. X plus y whole square equal to 3 root xy whole square. After that, the expansion form of x plus y whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square notation, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to, let us see this one. Think this one, 3 is a, this one is b. ab whole power m. ab whole power m is nothing but a power m into b power m, that is 3 square into root xy whole square. 3 square into root xy whole square. You get square and square roots are cancelled. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 3 square value is 9. Root and root squares are cancelled. You get 9xy. Transpose 2xy to RHS. You get x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. That is x square plus y square equal to 7xy. Let us transpose xy to or LHS. You get x square plus y square by xy equal to 7. Since because we need to find the value of x by y plus y by x, so that expand the value in LHS, that is x square by xy plus y square by xy, that is x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7. So 1x are cancelled here. 1y are cancelled. You get x by y plus y by x is equal to 7. This is the problem number 6. Now we are going to discuss the 7th problem in this one. Same pattern but little bit of confusion. So we have to take some little bit care. Okay children. So this is the problem number 6. Now we are going to discuss problem number 7. So how to one time read the problem thoroughly, that one also. That is 0.3 power x equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Same problem but little bit of different method. We have to solve that one. The 7th problem is 0.2.3 power x equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. Find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. We need to find the value of this one. How we have to solve this one? First of all, we have to take the given one. 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y is equal 1000. That is 0.23 power x equal to 1000. 1000 can be written as, okay, keep 1000 only, and 0.23 power y is equal 1000. First of all, take this first one. This is in the form a power x is equal to n. If a power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n to the base a. That implies x is equal to log 1000 base 2.3, 0.23. A power x equal to n, so that x is equal log n to the base a. In similar manner, here also y is equal log 1000 base 0.23. But in the problem, we need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. How we have to solve? So find 1 by x. 1 by x is equal 1 by log 1000 base 0.23. Similarly, 1 by y is equal 1 by log 1000 base 0.23. Now we need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. 1 by x is nothing but 1 by log 1000 base 0.23 minus 1 by log 1000 base 0.23. So here we up to now we didn't read this formula, changes of bases in logarithms. If log a base a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a. This formula up to now we didn't come from in our syllabus, but in the logarithms this formula is there for us. As per mathematical convenience, we have to read this formula. Log a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a. Using that formula, we have to do this problem. That is 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to, let us see this one, 1 by log b base a. 1 by log b base a can be written as log a base b, so that it can be written as log 0.23 base 1000 minus 1 by y is 1 by log 1000 base 0.23. It is in the form 1 by log b base a. 1 by log b base a can be written as log a base b, so that log sorry, this is the 1 by x is 2.3. I forgot to write here. It is 2.3 power x. So that I can replace once again. Observe this one. 2.3. So that this is also 2.3 base 1000. Y is log 1 by 1000 base 0.23. So that it is log 0.23 base 1000. Now, once again repeat this one. This is log 2.3 base 1000 minus log 0.23 base 1000. Log x base a minus log y base a. Log x minus log y is nothing but log x by y. That is log 2.3 by 0.23 base 1000. Log x minus log y, log x by y. Since from the supporting formula, log x minus log y equal to log x by y. Here we applied, in this one we applied this formula. Since from the above formula, log a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a. Now, one time see this one, log 2.3 by 0.23. How many times cancel this one? 0.23 once, 0.23 tens, 2.3. So that you get how much value in the fraction? That is 10 by 1, that is nothing but 10 base 1000. 0.23 once, 0.23 tens, 2.3. So log 10 base 1000. 10 can be written as log 1000 power 1 by 3. Is it correct or not? One time check. Because 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Here cube will be obtained. Here I clearly explain this one. 1000 power 1 by 3. 10 cube power 1 by 3. 3 ones cancel, you get 10. So that 10 can be written as 1000 power 1 by 3 base 1000. Log a power m, log x power m. Log x power m can be written as m log x. That is 1 by 3 log 1000 base 1000. So log a base a value already you know that is 1 by 3 into 1. Since log a base a equal to 1, where a is not equal to 1. So 1 by 3 into 1, that is 1 by 3. So the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. These are the two problems in this exercise. One time go through the 8th problem. This is same as example 13, page number 22. This is same as example 13, page number 22, example 13 problem. Try to do yourself. And go through the 9th problem. Is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Just you give the answer. Tomorrow I have to explain to you. This is the end of the class today. Okay children, bye.